Hello everyone, today we are diving into a fundamental concept in web design, the CSS Box Model. After end of this video, I'll be mastering CSS Box Model and you can understand every single concept. As you can see guys, I have a content box and border box. I have given here same style, but you can see here different size. Why? We'll explore everything in this video. Let's go ahead and try to see. And make sure you subscribe my channel and also don't forget to give a like, one pairs for YouTube algorithm. And that's it guys, it's not too much hard to do. So as you can see guys, here is my index.html file. Here I have a content box div and border box div, and here I have a label. What I have given here, I have given 200 pixel width and 20 pixel padding and border 10 pixel. As you can see inside this style.css, I have a box content with 200 pixel height, 100 pixel padding, 20 pixel, border 10 pixel, margin 50 pixel and background color. I have given the same color as you can see, but here is the background color is different, right? Now you have to remember every HTML element on a web page represent as a rectangular box. For example, this div represent as a rectangular box, this div represent as a rectangular box, and this div represent as a rectangular box. How we can see? To see, for example, this is our content box. So let's go ahead and try to inspect element. And before doing inspect element, I would like to just comment out this style. All right. And as you can see, here is the content box. Let's just inspect element. So if you go element computed tab, you can see here, this is my content box. If you inspect element, this label, you can do this thing. As you can see, you can do this thing. Now you can see here inside this box, here is like something, right? Here is padding, border, margin. What is this? In this box, you have to remember one thing. This is our content box where your text and image appear. And this is our padding, where basically you are giving padding. And then the border box surround the padding. And then outer part is our margin box, the outer space that separate the element from others. If I select this content box and we'll see live, as you can see. So let's go ahead and try to add one by one. Then you can see here, let's say add here width. As you can see, if I add here width 200 pixel, as you can see right now, this is 200 pixel, right? You can see immediately. After that, what I can do, I just add here height. If I add here height, then 200 pixel with 100 pixel height. Okay, cool. What if I add padding here? Let's see. As you can see right now, I have here 20 pixel padding. Okay, and we will add rest of the thing. Okay, after adding rest of the thing, you know, if I ask you what is the width of this box, you may tell this width is 200 pixel, but exactly not 200 pixel. This width going to be 200 pixel, padding 20 pixel, and you can calculate this way basically. So if I calculate, that's going to be 200 pixel width, actual width, and 20 pixel margin, and here is margin left 20 pixel, that's going to be 214. And as you can see, border is 10 pixel here left and border is 10 pixel right, and then that means 260. And margin will not countable in this case because margin is outer part. That means that's total width 260 pixel. Initially everything is box sizing content box, but as you can see, I have added here same style. If I add here box sizing border box, as you can see guys, after adding box sizing border box in the second box, you can see here my width is 114. Why? Because If I add box sizing border box, our padding and border will be add inside our width and it will do the calculation inside our main width. So using border box often makes layout management easier, especially when working with responsive design. You don't have to worry about overflow issue caused by padding or borders. So if you want to add this thing every single class, this will be like too much, right? Instead of you can add where you can add in universal selector on the top. Let's say you can select everything and then you can add here box sizing border box and everything will be border box, right? And here I have had a content box, but if I remove it, as you can see, now everything is border box. So we highly recommend use to box sizing border box on this universal select.